Okay everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started on the editing video to a beat assignment that we're going to do together here now. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is this relies on the fact that you have already imported the sample media. So if you haven't done that, you can take a look at the video before this on importing footage. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Funky Soul export track. I'm going to put it in the part where the audio goes on the timeline, so that's underneath this big line. Right there we have it. Remember, plus and minus zooms in and out on the timeline, so I can see, if I hit plus, I can see a smaller amount of time and a larger amount of space. So what I want to do is I'm going to have this build-up be all black, right? And then when that first beat hits, I want a piece of video to come in. So I am going to use this Busby Berkeley thing, and I'm just gonna start it at the beginning, and then I'm gonna mark an in point there using an I, and then I'm actually gonna make a out point like way later, but I'm gonna adjust it once it's in the timeline. So now I'm going to drag video only into where the playhead is, right? So that now when I play from the beginning, it's gonna start in black, and when the first chord comes in, we're gonna see the video. And your brain has a weird way of making this go together, even if the music is way different than the picture. So take note of that. I'm gonna let this one clip go, and I would like you to do the same until the beat comes in at 26 seconds. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to skip forward. Here it comes. So there it was. Now I'm gonna backdate this sort of out point to here. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a little bit more of a fine-tuned adjustment there. So this should go back just a bit. I'm not going to worry about it too much for this. Then I would like you to pick a new clip. So this is up to you, but I'm going to go ahead and pick a point here. I don't know her anymore. Let's do that. So I'm going to use that, and don't worry about the audio, because once again we're going to do the video only, right? And we're going to drag that in here, right? And I'm going to zoom out, and so let's take another look at that cut right there. So we're looking up here now. So that wasn't quite right on the beat, and so I think this is worth actually like getting in really close. And if you can see, this is actually the beat right here where my mouse pointer is. So when we get in close by zooming in with the plus key, we can see exactly where that beat lasts. So I'm going to pull this over a little bit. You might want to, and then now if I check it out, because I lined it up with that beat, it should go right there. Well, actually, I think the one we want is here. Sorry. The music cut out. So we can let that play for like 2 or 3 seconds, and then I would like you to cut the next video in. Let's try breakdancing. So I'm going to mark an in point here. I'm just going to do this really fast for the sake of this video. Out point here. Once again, dragging the video only to this point, and that's a little too long. Don't use clips that are more than a couple seconds. So let's check the beat on that. Sorry about the confusion here. So let's make the breakdancing footage come in there, because that's when the chord happens. So I'm going to let this go on, and we're going to make this last. So that was another cut right on the beat. And so I would like you, this put us to, like if we get here, try to make a minute or two long, try to fill the whole sound file here. Actually, that's really long. Let's try to make it to 1.5 minutes or so by cutting different clips to the beat. Okay, we'll end the video there, and I'll come around and help you.